Hey guys, just reporting in. Nothing very exciting. Haven't quite got to the time yet when I'm going to be busy out here. And if you don't want a load of waffle, don't bother to go any further, because that's about all this video is. We've got a slight temperature lift. We've got thawing outside. Snow's disappearing a bit, but it's still going to freeze tonight, so we're not out of the woods yet. I'm making some plans anyway to what I want to get on with. This is one thing which I was trying to see if you can see in there. It's a tailstock offset center. That's for taper work. I've got some drawings and I'll probably modify it a bit, but that's quite a useful simple piece to make, and I might even do that one of the first things. This is something I came across, by the way. You may have to pause that. What it is just a single point threading guide, which is quite useful. Not something that's essential, but it gives cut increments. I mean, if you're doing 1/2 inch 13, first pass 20 thou, second pass another 8, then go up to 35, then 40, then 45. Quite useful to have for reference. I don't even know where I got it. If anybody wants the file, you can let me know. And I've also, can't afford it, but I put it on credit. I've ordered a 5C collet chuck for the lathe. It's something I've been missing for ages. I can use collets in there. I forget which series. They're not normal ones. And it gets things awfully close to the headstock, which makes it awkward for, you know, the carriage is a bit stiffer down that end. So I'll have to make a back plate for it and get it set up, but I thought, damn it, I got to get one. And numerous other things. Oh, by the way, I went into Harbour Freight the other day. Somebody else picked up one of these. Just another storage thing. $10. Something else for storing small bits. I mean, really, I'm absolutely out of space in here, and although I keep saying it over and over, I've got to spend some time getting rationalised. It's an absolute tip in here, so I'll have to get on with that sometime. Anyway, I've got a list of things I want to get on with, so in the fullness of time I hope to be back out here making some chips, but not quite yet. Temperature hasn't really got fully in control. I'll put a still picture in. I did another thing I got from Harbour Freight, which is actually why I went in. I got one of these propane heaters that you clip on the gas bottle. It's not very adequate for a lot of heat, so I need the space heater if I'm going to really bump the temperature up, but the propane heater is quite useful. Certainly to keep the temperature up a little bit from getting down to crazy minimum. Anyway, unless I think of something else, that's about it. So I hope to see you before too long, whenever that might be. What are we now? Coming up to mid-February, I suppose. We're not out of winter yet, not up here. I took a bit of video outside. Having just seen Randy Richards' latest video, he was outside looking at the dry and sunshine. It looked like early spring or late spring, it was so nice. So I'll show you what we're getting with today. This is for you, Randy Richard. Up there looking like summer. We got some thaw today. Everything's dripping. Absolute mess. Mind you, there are plenty of us up here in the relative north coping with this summer even worse. Anyway, that's it. Waffle over. Hope to be back soon with something. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Take care.